Slider on the floor. Did you break it?
Hi guys, this is Sharon, your independent Norwex consultant.
Hi, I'm Lydia. I edit these videos for Sharon's Safe Haven, and this video is not like our normal ones, but we decided to share it anyhow.
This is our blooper video. This is part 2 to our cleaning video on the oven and grill cleaner. Last time we showed you how to use the oven cleaner, and this time we were going to show you how to clean a grill, but a few interesting things happened.
Okay, so I guess let's just get started. Okay.
So this is my grill that we used 2 days prior to this video being taken, so it was a fully functioning grill,
and it looked pretty dirty. Like, it was just kind of one of those things you don't really realize how dirty it is until you try to deep clean it.
And I usually clean it just by turning on the burners on high and leaving it on high for 10 minutes and just scrubbing it clean with a metal scraper.
Did you break it?
And then cook right on top of that.
And did she break it? Yes, she did.
Well, I didn't realize that those circle things would come out when I took it out, because I don't take those grates out, and one fell out and broke on the floor. But it really wasn't that bad. I'm like, I can still use it.
Okay, so my mind was we could like somehow solder it back together or glue it.
So we're spraying on the grill cleaner. It has to sit for 5 minutes. And so this is me spraying it on. We're going to try to do this video anyway, even though I broke it. Those are some old, just raggedy towels.
And the directions for this cleaner, it actually says to use it on newspaper, but we didn't have any, so we improvised. Just a little note there. So we decided, okay, this grill is filthy. Let's not just clean the grates, let's clean the inside. But when we did that, we found some damage that we did not expect.
Like, these were the covers over the burners, and they were totally rusted and falling apart. So we're looking at the damage while our grill cleaner is going to work.
So we were like, this is still salvageable. We could just buy new covers for it. Yeah,
we've done pieces and parts and bought new burners before.
Yeah, so we were still pretty optimistic at this point. We had vacuumed out a lot of the junk, and
we had literally just used this grill 2 days ago, and so we know that it worked.
Okay, here's after 5 minutes. We're flipping it and spraying it again.
We're spraying the backside.
Yep.
So we can scrub all the pieces nice and clean.
Yep. Oh, this is funny. We couldn't remember. She started spraying it, and she couldn't remember if she flipped it. So I was like, hey, I don't think you flipped it. So she sprayed the other side, and then flips it again.
Yeah, I don't know where my head was, but it's going to be clean. Doggone it. We're going to make this grill cleaner work.
Okay, while we were letting those sit for another 5 minutes, the bottom of the grill came off. It broke in half.
We were actually trying to use our vacuum and suck up some of all that debris, and that broke in half as we were vacuuming it.
So
we were just like, yep, this is a lost cause.
So we were like, okay, maybe we can still salvage the video. We can clean one grate, and that is our attempt here.
So I'm scrubbing all the really grimy stuff off of here, and it is coming off. It's coming clean. I probably should have taken the other grate that had the circle still in it, but I was afraid it would just fall out too, so I already took the damaged one.
It also started to look cloudy, like it was going to rain, so it's kind of like everything bad that could have happened for this video was happening. So we just rushed inside, didn't even stage the background so you can like see all of our dishes.
And I am using the pot scrubber on this to clean it, but we didn't remove some of our other like everyday sponges that we had laying around. You can see some of our Norwick stuff, like the dish net and
One of the kitchen
kitchen
cloths.
cloth. But we do have some other stuff we should have moved out of the background. We were just in
Such a hurry.
we hadn't planned to use the kitchen at all, and you can see some of our dirty dishes in the sink there. Yeah, this is real life, people. This is what happens, and so we thought it'd be funny to show this. You can see our medicine cabinet up there on the windowsill that we didn't remove. So we were not thinking very clearly.
No, it was just kind of, we were like, oh, we already killed our grill. It's a little upsetting day. So this is the after product. How would you rate this product?
Well,
Pretty good.
it did make it a lot cleaner, but so if you never clean your grill, I would advise not to clean it.
Because you might find out you need a new one.
But I would suggest you clean it probably after every use. And when it gets really built up, use that grill cleaner because it's awesome. It worked great on the oven, and I'm sure on a normal grill it would have worked great.
Okay, so let's just have a recap of the damage. We have a broken grate from being dropped. We have rusted, falling apart flame cover thingies. And, of course, the bottom of our grill is missing.
We highly recommend the grill cleaner, but don't do what we did.
Clean your grill regularly. You might want to check on it now to see if it's safe.
All right, enjoy cleaning.
Okay, thank you for watching.
And subscribe. Don't push that arrow button, but click the button below that says subscribe. Thanks.
Okay. Want to hear what that sounds like?
Oh dear.